In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect PayPal to QuickBooks using the PayPal connector by QuickBooks. Connecting PayPal to QuickBooks can streamline your financial management by ensuring that all your transactions are automatically recorded. Let's dive in and show you exactly how to set this up. First, begin by navigating to your QuickBooks homepage. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the QuickBooks URL, or simply clicking on a trusted bookmark if you already have one saved. Once you're on the home page, make sure you're logged into your account so that you can access all the features you need. Next, direct your attention to the upper part of your screen where you'll find the option to Find Apps. Clicking on this will take you to the QuickBooks Apps Marketplace, a place designed specifically to help you integrate third-party tools with your QuickBooks account seamlessly. It's a busy place full of powerful tools, so let's keep focused on what we came here for: integrating PayPal. In the search bar that appears, type in PayPal. You'll see a list of various apps associated with PayPal, but the one we're interested in is the PayPal connector by QuickBooks. This app will enable you to connect your PayPal account directly with QuickBooks, allowing your PayPal transactions to be automatically synchronized. This is a huge time saver, not to mention a great way to reduce errors that might occur from manual entry. Clicking on the PayPal connector by QuickBooks will bring up an app card or page with more detailed information. Take a moment to browse through its features, understanding what makes this app a must-have for PayPal users who use QuickBooks. This will help ensure you're aware of what to expect after integration. Now, find the button labeled Get App Now. Clicking on this will initiate the installation process. At this point, you might be prompted to authorize permissions or sign into your PayPal account. If so, just follow the on-screen instructions to grant the necessary permissions and connect your QuickBooks with PayPal. Remember, taking the time to read any terms or permissions you're enabling is always a good practice to ensure you understand how your data will be used. Once that's done, voila! You've successfully linked PayPal with your QuickBooks account. From here onward, your transactions will automatically flow into QuickBooks, making bookkeeping much less of a hassle. This integration helps maintain a tidy financial record without the need for constant manual updates, providing you more time to focus on other important aspects of your business. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you have effectively set up the PayPal connector in QuickBooks, ensuring a more efficient management of your financial transactions. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and happy bookkeeping with QuickBooks and PayPal.